Okay, we're at Ruidoso Winter Park. They have zip lining. They have a coaster that goes to the mountains, really amazing, and tubing. So even though there's no snow, you can still tube. So that was so much fun for the kids. I'm about to do my second go around on the coaster. So much fun.
En su asiento, un miembro del equipo asegura correctamente su cinturón de seguridad. Por favor, manténgase siempre en su carro. Cuando se le dé autorización para despegar, empuje el manubrio hacia adelante hasta que pasa el edificio. Una vez que haya despejado el edificio, siéntese, relájese y disfruta.
It's going to move a little bit.
Okay.
Buckle. Just remember, down to go, back for slow. Did
Okay.
you have a ticket?
Yes.
All right. Have a great time.
Thank you.
En la parte superior, un miembro del equipo regalará cuando empujar.
All right. Push forward. Hold it down to stop. Hold it down. There you go. Getting the hang of it down?
Yeah.
Mom, I'm going for a feed. All right, great talking to y'all. Good talking to y'all. Get an answer. Get another picture. Get
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, push forward.
Alrighty.
Enjoy your ride.
Thank you. All right, here we go.
We would like to review some of the riding instructions with you. This is an active participation ride. Remember, you are in full control of the ride once you have passed the attendant building at the top. You will be able to control your speed with the brake levers. Simply push the levers to go and pull the levers to slow down or to brake. Keep your eyes forward at all times. Remember, it is your responsibility to slow down and brake for slow or stopped riders. Maintain 80 feet between you and the cart in front of you. You should increase your distance to 180 feet for wet conditions. There are signs along the uphill road to assist you in judging 80 feet and 180 feet. Thank you.
Oh wow, butterfly. All right.
are approaching the top of the ride. Remember, keep your seatbelts buckled at all times. You will soon be entering the downhill track. Push the brake levers forward now and keep them forward until you have passed the attendant building.
All right, this is my second. This time I went much faster than last time.
Enjoy it more.
Okay, here we go.
You enjoy it more because you're not going to be
Right, yeah.
Okay, you can release them, seatbelt them after you're left.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thanks. Yes, it was amazing.